Hi, good morning. I am Jan Isidro from BPED 2 and I will going to share my insights about the video presentation about biological development of a person. So first, from the Wisdom of Solomon, from its capital 2 and verses 23, for God created man to be immortal and made him to be an image of his own eternity. The righteous because of they are made in the image of God and can rest in the full hope of eternal life. And from the Psalm 137, verses 13 to 16, it is undoubtedly to consider that we are from the womb of our mother, and our life was started there. Okay, the first topic in the biological development is the prenatal development. This is the development of the human embryo follows fertilization and continues as a fetal development. By the end of the 10th week of gestational age, the embryo has acquired its basic form and is referred to as a fetus. The next period is that of fetal development, where many organs become fully developed, and this fetal period where the major parts of the body are developed. And the terminal stage begins at conception, when the sperm and the egg cell unite in one of the fallopian tubes. The fertilized egg is called a zygote. Just a few hours after conception, the single-celled zygote begins making a journey down the fallopian tube to the uterus, and it continues to develop up to the last process and last part of development. The next one, we have what we call the implantation. In humans, implantation is the stage of human reproduction at which the embryo adheres to the wall of the uterus. At this stage of the prenatal development, the conceptus is called blastocyst. And in the development, there is what we call placenta, or it is the source of the nutrients of the fetus in the womb. And lastly, prenatal risk factors include, or what we call the prenatal factors that affect the fetus, the embryo, or even the zygote and or the mother. And the prenatal risk factors include chronic maternal illness, certain maternal infections, toxin, nutritional deficiency or lack of nutrition. And risk factors in the prenatal period is include pregnancy-related complications. We have this what we call premature, or we have also the low birth weight that is caused by nutritional deficiencies or some sort of factors that the mother do. And uh, there is also infection exposure during pregnancy or at the time of birth. And we have many more factors like and the factors that affects the pregnant or the mother. And these are the different topics that are involved in the biological development of a person. And thank you for listening, and good have a good day.